You smoking yet?
Hello. John C. Boom! Headshot!
This is Sparta!
One down.
And if you no longer go for a gap that exists, you're no longer a racing driver.
Boom! Headshot!
Bye-bye.
Now you're gonna get it, motherfucker! Come on!
What? Oh no!
Run.
It's broken! Anti-stall! It's off. Fuck!
Where'd he go?
Whenever I'm about to do something, I think, would an idiot do that? And if they would, I do not do that thing.
Bless it.
I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Here comes that rainbow I've been praying for. Gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day.
Yeah, boy! Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye-bye!
'Cause I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt?